All right, we are doing 4.1.2, seeing growth in different representations. Make sure you get this down. Okay. We will be doing something similar for the rest of the week. 4.1.2, CPM, seeing growth in different representations. All right, so you'll notice that these are on your desks, but there's going to be 4 things that are involved with these. A pattern, X and Y table, 3, an equation, 4, a graph. Like I said, these 4 things are actually on one of the desks near you. Please do not rip them off. So, if we look at 4-12, and we're naming it pattern number 1. Okay, pattern 1. Right, they give us the pattern. What am I going to need next? What am I going to need next? If we have the pattern, go. Exactly. I'm going to need an X and Y table. The X's are the figure numbers, meaning figure number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? Now, they've given us 3 figures, right? So, who's got figure number 1? Who's got figure number 1? Who's got figure number 1? Oh, we're going to call on people. Sam, how many are in figure number 1? Remember, we're counting the squares. Good. Do you have your ebook up? Can you get your ebook up? Perfect. Who's got figure number 2? Riley. Good. Who's got figure 3? Wyatt. Take a minute and count those. Perfect. What do you recognize about this pattern? Yes. Plus 4, yes. So what is figure 4 going to be without us looking at it? Jolie. Yep. And who's got figure 5? Yes, Miss Perez. How about you try, Miss Perez? Okay, what is 0 then? Perfect. So what's 5 going to be? 4 plus 8 is? Perfect. So 5 is going to be 22. Yikes. All right. Now, we have a pattern. We have an X and Y table. What do we need now? Equation. Anybody tell me what the equation is, or what our equation is going to be? Nolan. Why don't we just start out with what's our slope-intercept form? No. It's y equals mx plus b, right? All right. So if we're looking at our growth, this is our m. And what is our b? It is this, the 0 and 2. This shows where it lies at 0 and 2. All right. If we were to graph it, we're going to start at 0, the 0 means on the x, 0, and then 2 dot right there. Okay. So if our growth is 4 and our b is 2, what is the equation going to be? Yeah, go ahead, Josiah. Nice. You are absolutely correct, sir. So I'm going to start at the 2. The last part is we're going to need to graph it, right? So I've got my graph here, right? I'm doing quadrant 1. I'm starting at 2, 0 and 2, and then I'm going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 dot. I could go over 1 and up 4. Either way, same thing. I'm going to go up one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 dot. And that is the first one. We want to make a straight line that is a ray, not a line segment. Remember, we started at 2 and we went up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. And then I took my straight edge and I held them on the 3 dots and drew a line through it. Got it? Well, where's your line, sister? Well, get going, because I don't want to move on until we've got, everybody's got all 3 things. We need an x and y table, we need an equation, and then we graphed it. Raise your hand if you've got all 3. Raise your hand if you got all 3. All 3. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. You got all 3? Chase, are you there with me? Are you there with me? No, you. Yes. Are you there? Mm-hmm. Good. Let's move forward. Okay. Now, you guys should be readier to do more questions, right? So, number 2. Good. Here's our next pattern. Tile pattern number 2. What do I need, Miss Ross? You have a pattern. Look on your table. She has it. I have the pattern. Yes, you are absolutely correct. You need an X and Y table. Table, yes. Boom. X, Y. What am I going to put on the X side? Why am I going to, no. What am I going to fill this side with, sir? Yes. Yeah. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I didn't hear the 0 part. I just heard 5. All right. So how many is in figure 1? Nolan.
5.
Perfect. Figure 2. Nope. Trace. Is it 9? Well, is it 9? Okay, good. Who's got figure 3? Yeah, Emma. 13. Can you tell me how much it's going up by?
4.
Yes. 4 plus 4. Who's got 4? Francisco. 17. Yep. Who's got 5? Am I reading this right? We have a game. Yeah. Oh. Hold on a second. Go ahead, Nolan. Perfect. Who's got my 0? Ives. Good. At least he's paying attention. All right. So our rate of growth is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. What is my B? What's my B? Yeah, good. Okay, Josiah, you got the last equation. Who can give me the equation? Who can give me? Phil.
Y equals for x.
Oh my gosh. What's the last thing I need? What did you say? Thank you. Oh, it's a multicolored graph. Where am I going to start? Mia. Yeah. Where do I start? Yes. And then I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Right, Mia? That's where you want to go? Perfect. Me too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Good. Now, I'm going to put my, what is this? My straight edge through my dots. I'm going to draw a ray, not a line segment. See, this would be a line segment. If I did this and this, this would be a line segment. This, because it has like the little arrows, it's a ray. We want a ray. Cool. Now, good. Look at me. Start on the next one. Number 3. All right, I'm going to start asking people I haven't heard from. Melinda, what am I going to do with this last one? I'm waiting. Oh, Melinda, don't you need something on the list? They gave us a pattern. What's after that? What do we need after the pattern? Yes, yes, yes. I need my X and Y table. I've got the X and Y table. What do I need now? Francisco, what do I need? What are the numbers, sir? Good, you're perfect. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Who's got what's in figure uno? Wyatt. Who's got, yeah, go press. 11, good. And then, yeah, Coda. What? Perfect. What is this going up by? So this is going to be 3, right? This is going to be 19, 23. Here's your jam. Who can tell me what the equation is right now? Josiah. What did you notice about every single one of these patterns? Yes, Danny. Yeah, the slope is all the same. Are you ready for the weird stuff? Good. I like weird stuff too, sort of, kind of. Check this out. I'm going to actually use blue. See this 3? 1, 2, 3, dot. And then I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. If you took, oh, that's weird. I have more than one of these. If you take a look at this, check this out. Because they have the same slope, they're parallel. They will never, yes, what? Oh, it's frozen in time. Dang dog. Hold on, computer people. Let me fix my, okay. Hold, please. Okay. Bear with me. for a minute. Okay, we're still recording. All right, so if you look, they are never going to meet. Hold on, I've got my ruler wrong. Right? They're all going to be the same. Parallel. When you have the same slope, let me write this down. When you have the same slope, the lines are parallel. If I can spell parallel. Oh my gosh. Parallel. All right, we're going to leave it. We all know what it means. Wonderful. Wonderful. Does anybody have any questions? No. Yes.
Doesn't matter how big the number of plus.
Like,
Plus 2, plus
no, watch. Here, I'll show you. Like, if I go -2, here it is, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Look, they're still parallel. It does not matter. That is a great question. I love those questions. They will never meet. They will continuously hang out together because they have the same dang slope. Okay, there we go.